Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down.
Hello everybody and welcome to what I guess has become Happy Mail Monday, and I have a few things I want to share with you. I have this. I'm not going to turn it over because my address is on it, but this is from Illustrated Faith, and I really love Illustrated Faith, but I have not used a lot of it in my memory keeping or done much with it because I haven't really known how to make it work. But now that I'm doing the scrappy spiral notebook, I thought it would be really good. I would have a chance to maybe use some of these items a little bit better. So Illustrated Faith is a great little company. They do lots of different things. One of my favorite things that I've gotten from them in recent months is this washi tape right here that has cameras on it. And I use this, you probably saw a lot of it in my planner setup and my EC, Erin Condren Happy Mail video. I think maybe that was last week. And I shared that this is, a washi tape that I use quite a bit in my journals and planners. I grabbed 3 of those rolls just to stock back up. This will probably last me all of 2025 for all the different things that I do in planner setups. And I think I have like half a roll left. So I definitely will use this. This is one of the designs of washi tape that I literally go through like crazy. So I just love it. It has the cameras and it's colorful, so it matches my other rainbow washi tape. The next thing I picked up was 3 stamp sets. So I picked up this word bubble stamp set, the snowflake stamp set. I just couldn't resist the snowflake stamp set. And then I picked this one up right here, which is these paintbrushes and this typewriter, this little clip I thought was so cute. So I picked those up. I don't know how their stamp quality is going to be. I am definitely a stamp snob, I guess would be the best way to put it. I really, really expect and want my stamps to be really good quality. And I will tell you that not all clear stamps, acrylic stamps, photopolymer stamps are created equal. I got a set of Amy Tangerine stamp sets. I got 2 of them and I thought, well, Amy Tangerine, she's really big in the crafting. I really was not worried at all about the quality. I really trusted that because they were Amy Tangerine, they would be good quality. They were the worst stamp sets I've ever used. I threw them away. I legitimately threw all of them away because they were flimsy, they didn't stick to a block, they didn't stamp clear, they were just the worst quality. It felt like I purchased them at the dollar spot at Michael's. So I'm a really big I don't know, I'm just a stamp snob, so I'm hoping these will be good. Again, I haven't got stamps from Illustrated Faith, so I don't know, so I'm taking a chance, but I thought these would be so cute. I really thought they would work really well in the scrappy spiral notebook. So I picked up these 3 stamps and then the washi tape, and then I picked up this, which is just a little die cut pack. And I remember picking this out, but I don't remember why, and I'm sure I will when I open this up and look. So they're just little die cut pieces. Illustrated Faith, I do like them, but I find that a lot of times their style is more, oh yeah, I remember now. Their style is a bit more like junk journal-ish, and it's just not this isn't necessarily really my style. I loved the butterflies. There's a few things in this one that I really loved that I thought I could use. So I haven't gotten a ton of these, but I got that. And then I think this was just like a little free gift that was in there. There was a tree and the stars and then this tag and star garland. So it was just a little mini haul basically from Illustrated Faith, and I will put that with my other few things that I have from Illustrated Faith, and I'll put the stamps with my stamps, and I'll let you know. I mean, I'm sure you'll see me use these as I use the Scrappy Spiral notebook, which, speaking of, I also got in, I had placed a second order with Heba after I had already filmed my original Scrappy notebook haul, the first one I got. So I got that and I filmed it and I fell in love with it right away. And then she restocked her notebook. So I just want to show you the 3 things I picked up. The first thing is that I picked up this loose, so this isn't punched. It doesn't have any holes in it. It's not obviously on a spiral, but they're just these loose pages. And I did this because I wanted to try out the classic design, but I didn't want it in a notebook. And these I think were $14, and then these are like 20 and 26. So I wanted to try this out, but I'm very nervous about all the different sizes. So if you followed me very long with my memory keeping, you know that I'm simple when it comes to printing my photos. I don't understand how to print in different, I mean, I do understand how to print in different sizes, but it's a nightmare. It's like you have to be really, it just takes time, right? And I'm the kind that I just want to print stuff out and I want to get it. That's why I like Project Life. You just print your photos out, you put them in the pockets and you're done. So this is very intimidating to me. Now, since I've been wanting to try this, I'm sort of cooking up a way that I can just have these templates set up on my computer, and then I can drop the photos in and they'll resize to whatever this is, and then I can print that out. I'm trying to come up with a simple way because you see like this is all different. It's all, and like, I'm like, how am I going to know like how to print all this stuff? Heba's amazing at it. And I would probably say that probably once you figure out how to do it, or you learn how to do it, or I'm always big about systems. Once you have a system, it probably is fine. But because I was intimidated by this, I thought it was a great option just to get the loose ones, and then I can punch it and do whatever. So I got a set of that in the classic design. And then I picked up 2 of these. I loved this cover. And I picked up the Oops notebooks, which she explained that the ring, what's this called? Not the spine. What is this? I can't even think of the word. Coil. That's the word. The coil, she explained that the coil is a little bit bent on top. Heba, girl, these are not bent. You should be selling these for the $26 because yes, it's a little flat. I couldn't even tell. I could not even tell. I purchased it because I was like, I'm going to be the person that just like purchases the one that's damaged because I just wanted her to get through that, her inventory of the damaged ones, because as somebody who is in the creating content business and does product and does like, I know how horrible that feels to have damaged product on hand and need to get rid of it and not want to lose money on it. And I was like, I'm just gonna like, I'll take the hit. It's totally fine. I'm sure it'll be fine. And I got this and I was like, girl, there's nothing wrong with this. There's nothing. It's beautiful. Like, sell these at the normal price, Heba. Sell them at the normal price. They are worth every penny. So I got 2 of them and I just got the classic memory keeping. This is the other one I wanted to try. The one I'm using for one little word is the columns. And then this one is the memory keeping. So it has the 3x4, 4x6. And then I figured this would be easier because they're just like 2x2, 3x4, 4x6. Like I could probably manage figuring that out. So I got 2 of them and I'm really excited to have these. So these will be for just other random projects. I've not totally decided. The other one I got, the 2025 one, I will be using for one little word and I've already started using it. And so I can't wait to share that with you guys and share what I'm going to be doing. So this is just my little Happy Mail Monday Craftmas video. I think this is the last one. I think we are close to the end of the month, and I can't wait to dive in and use these things and do some memory keeping and documenting. And thank you so much for hanging out with me during Craftmas. I will catch you either in my next Craftmas video or in regular videos after the beginning of the year. Thanks so much, everybody, and I will chat with you later. Thank you so much for joining me for today's video. There are 2 other videos here on the screen that you can check out. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. That helps YouTube be kind to me, and I would love it if they would be kind to me this Christmas season. I hope you're all having a wonderful start to December, and I will catch you in my next Craftmas video.